7 minus 1 is 6 and the 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 6 is 36, but the answer is wrong. According to PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication, division. Multiplication and division has equal priority, so we have to work from left to right in this case. Then addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction also have equal priority, so we have to work from left to right. So 7 minus 1 into 7 minus 1. According to PEMDAS, first we will do parentheses. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 1 into 6. Now multiplication. So 7 minus 6 into 1 is 6. And finally subtraction, which is nothing but 7 minus 6 equal to 1. So our answer is 1.